You can have the best strategy, the best setup, and all the motivation in the world. But if you're trading the wrong stocks, you're already fighting an uphill battle. Here's the reality. Most beginners waste time on slow, dead stocks that barely move, while the pros are laser focused on stocks with volume, volatility, and opportunity. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I pick the right stocks to trade using scanners, filters, and my three simple criteria that help me find high probability setups every single morning. If you've ever stared at a watch list wondering what to trade, this is the video that's going to change all of that. Stock selection is an art, not perfection. The goal isn't to trade everything that moves. It's to trade only where your edge exists. All the variables must line up. A lot of traders blame their strategy when the truth is they're just trading garbage setups. Low volume, no momentum, and no liquidity. The right stock gives you movement and clarity. You don't have to chase it. The opportunity comes to you. And the fastest way to find those stocks is by using scanners. Now, I use scanners every single morning to filter through thousands of tickers down to just a handful worth watching. I want stocks that are active, liquid, and in play, meaning they have volume, volatility, and a catalyst behind the move. Here's my process. Step 1, I start by scanning the stocks up or down at least 3% pre-market with volume above 500,000 shares. That tells me there's interest, traders are paying attention. Step 2, I filter for average daily volume over 1 million shares. This ensures good liquidity. I can get in and out of the stocks without slippage. Step 3, I check float size. I prefer low to mid float stocks under 100 million shares because they move faster and react to volume spikes. Now that I've filtered the noise, here's how I decide which stocks are actually worth trading. I use three criteria, and this is where beginners usually miss the mark. Criteria 1, volume. Volatility equals opportunity. If it's not moving, I don't trade it. I want stocks that have enough volume to create clean directional momentum. You should see tight spreads and clear price action, not random spikes. Criteria 2, catalyst confirmation. That's the why behind the move. An earnings report, FDA approval, some type of news catalyst. I only trade stocks that have a reason to move, a story, because that's what brings volume and emotion moves price. Criteria 3, technical alignment. Even with volume and news, I still check the charts. I look for clear levels of support and resistance. I like breakouts, pullbacks, and reversals. If the technicals all align with the catalyst and the volume confirms, that's a green light setup. Most traders pick random tickers and hope something will happen. I don't trade hope. I trade high probability setups proven to work with back-tested data, not emotion. Once I've found a few strong candidates, I narrow my focus down to 4 or 5 tickers max. I don't want to monitor 15 different screens and stocks. I want precision. So I build my watch list using my scanner results and mark key levels on the charts. I want to see pre-market highs, previous day's highs and lows, VWAP, and any other significant key support and resistance zones. From there, I set alerts, define risk, and prepare before the open. By the time the bell rings, I'm not reacting, I'm executing a trade plan. The real secret to stock selection isn't the scanner, it's understanding my trading style and personality strengths and weaknesses. Some traders love small caps with explosive moves, others prefer slower large cap momentum. Your ideal stock should match your risk tolerance, time availability, and personality. That's exactly what I help my traders figure out, their custom formula for consistent results. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, I'll help you personally set up your scanners, pick your ideal broker, and create a trading plan with a process that fits you. We build your process from the ground up. Your watch lists, your alerts, your plan, all customized around your goals and risk tolerance. If that sounds like the support you've been missing, head over to MarketProTrading. Join my free community where I work with traders one-on-one to help them find consistency, structure, and confidence. Remember, Success in trading doesn't come from chasing stocks, it comes from choosing them wisely. Start strong, stay disciplined, and trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.